How to trim audio in AudioMass. First of all, open your browser and go to the AudioMass website. It's a free online audio editor that works directly in your browser without any downloads. Once your audio file is loaded, by clicking on Load from Computer or dragging your file into the window, you will see the waveform of your audio. Next, use your mouse to select a part of the audio you want to trim by clicking and dragging over the waveform. The selected area will be highlighted. If you want to be precise, you can also zoom in or out using the mouse wheel. After selecting the section, press the backspace key on your keyboard to trim that part easily. You can repeat this process to remove more sections of the audio that you don't need. If you make a mistake or want to undo the trim, you can always press Shift+Z or go to the View tab and select Undo. Finally, once you are happy with the trimmed audio, click on File and then Export to save your edited audio in your preferred format like MP3 or WAV. And that's it. Now you know how to trim audio in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.